What's up? Fresh as our turn, baby.
Unboxing.
Gator boots with the Gucci suit, them Gucci suits.
What happened, man? PTSD. Alright, boyos, we gonna open this bitch. I mean, the greatest Call of Duty has ever been, and probably the second greatest. Dude, Ghost was so good. Man, you can't seem to get it. You need a hands on it. Here. Or no, you can. Just to be clear, this isn't Matt's game, right? Yeah, my feet stink already. Okay, ready? Open it. Get away, you're ruining my copywriting. No!